So let me get this straight, buddy. You're not balling, but you want to look like it. I get it. I've been there before. I used to be a child. Speaking of, NameBran's for the kids, which is why I created the douchiest video premise I've ever had. And for the MILFs. NameBran's always for the MILFs. Back in action. We're back in the action. So here's the deal, man. I was on AliExpress a little while ago shopping for dumb items because I got some crazy crap on there for videos. Unboxing weird stuff's my gig, you know what I mean? Also, I was shopping for Christmas presents, and I had this idea. Me being kind of like an expert on, you know, on expensive items. I love my Supreme, I love my Louis Vuitton, my Gucci, my jewelry, all that. I thought to myself, you know what, Bran? What if you used your insane knowledge on all this stuff and bought some fake stuff on AliExpress? I don't know how to explain it. But I've tried to explain this clip so many times and I can't get it. Anyway, what I did is I gave myself $100 to spend on AliExpress on only items that I feel if you were walking out in public with them, they could pass as legit. So these are items that might cost, you know, anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 in person if they were real, but I got them for all $100 and I want to see how legit they are. You know, it's AliExpress. Everything on the website's fake. It's from China. Those Chinese are killing it with all that crap. I thought this would be kind of a fun challenge, just seeing how close they actually get with these replica items off AliExpress, and if you know, you can actually rock it. So there you go. There's a half-ass explanation. Once again, I tried to do that proper, but words teaching, not my thing. Doing is my thing. MILFs. I like those. Don't promote this, nor do I promote fake items. Once again, fun challenge for me, and if you guys want to do this, I mean, you can. I just don't recommend it. Let's unbox that. Welcome to the Bat Cave, you 12-year-old 5'1" fake flexers. So we got 3 packages here. What I tried to get is things that I feel like a lot of you kids like nowadays, aka I got a pair of Yeezys in here, Kanye West shoes. I got some Supreme, some Louis Vuitton, and some jewelry. Once again, just helping you guys out that I don't understand the whole premise of people being like, oh, why do you wear fake things? I don't, because I can afford them now. I've been successful for about 5 years with my website and doing a bunch of other social media crap, but I don't get the older dudes that are giving young kids a hard time for wearing the fake stuff. It's like, do what you want, man. And who in the hell am I to judge? I'm 25 years old. I'm gonna judge a 12-year-old on what he's wearing? This sounds a little pathetic to me. Anyway, I'm here for y'all. First package we got covered my address because y'all keep sending me dilds. My address got leaked in a video, and it's funny. Like 3 of you guys had the same idea to send me that. Oh, did you use them? Obviously. Remember when I said NameBran's for the kids at the beginning of the video? I am, just not my comedy. All right, so let's get into the first piece right here. The first thing I got was actually a pair of Yeezys that I haven't released yet. Now, you might be saying, oh, how are you going to compare a pair that hasn't been released yet and see if you can actually get away with them being real? I just know how Yeezys are made. I know the materials on them. I'll be able to tell you somewhat if they look real. And also, I have seen this actual pair in person. It's just not released yet. First thing we got here, boys. Okay, this is something I've been stoked for because once again, they're not released. This is a pair of Yeezys I can't wait to get when they do. But we got the Yeezy, can't remember what they're called. Damn it. I got one job, which is to do a little bit of history searching on videos before doing them at least, and I don't. So these things right here cost me $50 on AliExpress. I had to get them just because they are unreleased. And it's kind of cool to hold them in hand and show you guys. So this is one that looks fake. They're not good. I know right off the picture looked remarkable. That's the picture they showed. This is what we got. So they clearly just took a stock photo of the actual pair that are releasing and not a picture of the pair that they created. Nonetheless, a dope shoe. I'm gonna go with the Boost right now. Boost is fake. With anybody that actually knows their Yeezys, I've had 30 pairs in the past, literally, so I know my stuff. That looks fake. Nonetheless, though, from the side view, they're not too bad. The one thing on fake Yeezys that you can always tell though is if you could cup your ball sack in it nicely, like it doesn't look like it's gonna hurt, it's just gonna be the perfect mold, they're fake. I've tried it with real Yeezys, it's not a good look, but with these you can tell it's the perfect sort of fit, depending on how big the nuts are, you know what I mean? Right off the bat, bad start. Damn it! Anyway, that was the little sneakerhead side of me. I needed to pick these up. You guys let me know what you think about these, and if you're a better expert than I am on it, then you let me know if I'm wrong. They're not bad, I just don't... I don't know if they could pass, which is not what I'm supposed to be doing in this video. However, a lot of kids probably don't know, so y'all could get away with it. Next up! So this right here, I can already feel what it is, and I got a belt. Now this belt I've never actually owned, but I've held it many, many times before. I've seen them tons of times in person, so I'll be able to let you guys know, damn, how it actually is. And what this is a Supreme Louis Vuitton belt that I got for $25. Now this, I think there could be a little shipping on top of this stuff. It's like $100, give or say a little extra money. But this thing, if you were to get it for real, legit verified, the actual Louis Vuitton Supreme belt, which I've always wanted, this thing will go for about $3,300, I think, American, which is just something I don't really want to spend my money on right now. I'm really into my jewelry and stuff like that, which is a waste of money as well. But at one point I will get a real one of these. And right off the bat, man, this doesn't look bad whatsoever, actually. This looks really good. The feel obviously is not exactly what you'd be looking for with this Supreme Louis Vuitton belt. It's obviously going to be a bit better. But as I look with my eyes, dude, this doesn't look that bad at all. That's kind of exciting. Like, holy crap, man. 25, that's pretty good. And on the screen, here's a picture of the real Louis Vuitton belt, the actual legit one. If you guys want to compare yourself that to this, I don't think it's that bad. And I'm thinking right now, we only have one more item to unbox, so now it's not a long video. I'm trying to get these to 10 minutes, and they never are, because I keep doing these $100 challenges that literally leave me with no product to show off, so maybe I'll start doing 500. My bad. But yeah, the gold on the LV actually looks really, really nice. I'd have to see it. I'd have to compare one in person with this one to actually be able to tell you guys the flaws, in which I'm trying to find out right now, which is my one job for the video, but I can't. But if I honestly were to see somebody wearing this, that's not bad. And if they told me it was real, I would believe them. Depending on who. I know this one Frank kid who's just a complete ass. Lies through his mouth always. So I definitely wouldn't believe Frank on that one, but that's that, man. Don't promote this. Let me know also if you guys want me to get more into like the hypebeast stuff in some of my videos. My chain just fell off. Already last up, man, forgive me, but I've been really liking shorter videos lately. It's better for my attention span. I feel like everyone else is. Once again, another DHL package. This is some, dang, okay, so this is something that I knew off the pictures that they showed on the website would be the product I'm getting, just so you can kind of tell how they take the pictures. This right here was a piece that I was very surprised from, and right now I really am, just from the flipping, dang, whoa. And what y'all could see, obviously we got a fake diamond watch right here. Now here's the thing with watches, man, in my opinion, a watch is a watch. I guess just like a shoe is a shoe, but I mean, it ticks, it tells time. I don't see a big deal with, you know, buying a fake watch. I got my real one, as you guys know, and that's what we're gonna compare the diamonds to, from this face to this one. Oh, I don't got a problem with it. So looking at this, man, god dang, I can't read the writing on it because it's Chinese. I don't know what brand it is because it's freaking Chinese, but here, this thing was about $25 to $27, I think. Once again, I ordered this stuff 2 months ago. It takes forever to come in, but this is nice. This is something, except for the gold being a little too gold, in my opinion, for it to actually be real. These diamonds look more damn real than my watch, bro. So there's the close-up on mine, and then there's the close-up on this right here. Obviously, with a lot of fake diamonds nowadays, they're really perfecting them in the way of they have the actual shine they should. If not, a lot of times they're actually shinier than they should, depending on how good a quality your real diamonds are. If you're comparing, for a $27, $25 watch, this thing takes the cake. That's the last piece right there, man. Once again, just a video of, I don't promote doing this whatsoever, but man, just feel out what you want to do and go for it. So that's it. The 3 items, I think I did an okay job. These ones actually do look very real. These I just screwed up on. You guys let me know if you like this video. Just trying to make things that you think are good for life, that you like, and that you can perform in your daily, I don't care. Once again, I'm trying to teach. It sounds smart, but I'm not. Spell irretrievable, Bran. Oh, that's a long word. I-R-R-E-T-R-I-V-A-B-L-E. Oh, you can spell. Yeah, I could spell that one word. I memorized it in grade 3, and I thought it was impressive when I recited it to people until I did it like 3 times to the same person. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Short video, informative though. And I'm there to inform you. Bye.